Welcome to a new era of exploration, the dawn of SpaceX X-37b. SpaceX X-37b isn't just a spaceship, it's a manifestation of human ingenuity, a testament to our ceaseless thirst for discovery. Imagine being enveloped in absolute silence, surrounded by boundless darkness, punctuated by stars. This is the realm of X-37b. Its advanced technology and innovative design are set to revolutionize space travel, taking us further into the cosmos than ever before. But it's not just about reaching new places. SpaceX X-37b is about broadening our understanding, expanding our knowledge of the universe. We stand at the precipice of the unknown, ready to leap. With SpaceX X-37b, we'll soar towards the stars, towards our future. Join us as we embark on this incredible journey. The SpaceX X-37b, propelling humanity's reach to the stars and beyond.